Hello friends, welcome to all. Now I have started a coaching classes for 10th standard students. Those who are appearing in the next year in 10th. So now 9th pass out students. Those who are appearing for 10th standard in next year. So for them I have started the classes. Home tutors are also available. In your area, if you are having 10 to 15 students, then I am ready to take the coaching at your place. And most important thing is, so within the first, it's a vacational batches and then regular batches. Vacational batches means within a 2 months I will cover all the syllabus of mathematics part 1 part 2 for 10th standard. So this is just a demo session. Now first is the linear equation in 2 variables. So your variable means it may be a x, y, a, b, c, any variable. So now normally x, y, z, p, q, r, m, n, these are considered as a variable. So here we are considering variable x and y, 2 variables. Variable means its values are varying, correct? So linear equation means variable whose degree is only 1. So it is these sessions or this tutorial is available in 3 languages: Marathi, English and Hindi. So linear equation in 2 variable means an equation having 2 variables, suppose say x and y, and is having degree only 1. So now first is the solve the following simultaneous equation. So equations are given: 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. This is equation 1. 3x plus y is equal to 2 is equal to equation 2. Consider this as equation 2. There are 2 methods to solve the equation where we need to find the value of x and y which satisfy this equation. So for this, what we are doing, so there are 2 methods. First, see the equations. Here the variable and is constant. So here only variable is there. So if we multiply this equation by 3, it becomes 3y, and then we add. So minus 3 plus 3 becomes 0. Only one variable is there, and we'll get the value of x. By substituting that value in any equation, we'll get the value of another equation. So now multiplying both sides of equation 2 by 3. Equation 2 will multiply both sides by 3. So equation becomes 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. This is equation number 3. Now equation number 1, write as it is, and now add equation 3 and equation 1. So equation 3, equation 1, 5x minus 3y is equal to 8, plus equation 3 is 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. So 3y plus minus 0, 5x plus 9y, 5x plus 9x, 14x, y term 0, 8 plus 6, 14. So x is equal to 14 divided by 14 is. Now substitute this value in equation 2. We will get the value of y, that is 3x plus y is equal to 2. So 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 2. 3 plus 2, 3 plus y is equal to 2. Y is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1. Now solution for this equation is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. So this is the solution. So it is written as x in bracket x comma y is equal to 1 comma minus 1. X value of x is 1, value of y is minus 1. So now this is the first method. Already we have studied. Now second method. There are two methods to solve. Already I have told. So second method. So what we are doing here, 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. Equation 1 we are writing. Then we are finding value of y in terms of x. Y is equal to 2 minus 3x. 2 minus 3x. Just send 3x to this side. So 2 minus 3x. This is equation 3. Now substitute this value of 2 minus 3x in first equation. So equation becomes 5x minus 3y is equal to 8. So 5x minus 3 into y is 2 minus 3x is equal to 8. 5x minus 6 plus 3 into 6 minus minus plus 3 into 3 9x is equal to 8. 14x minus 6 is equal to 8. 14x is equal to send 6 this side. So 8 plus 6 14. 14x is equal to 14x is equal to 1. Now substitute that value in equation number 3, because in equation 3 instead of substituting the value in equation 1 or 2, substitute this, because here we will get direct value of y. Y is equal to 2 minus 3x. 2 minus 3 into 1 is equal to y is equal to 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So its solution is x is 1, y is minus 2. This is the solution. Then graph in linear two equation. This is just the demo. Then determinant. Then application of simultaneous equation that we'll study. Then quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Here variable is only 1 and its degree of variable is 2. Maximum degree is 2 and one constant is there. So x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. A, B, C are real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers. Then roots of quadratic equation, how to find root. Then formula, factorize, root by factorization method, root by completing square, then by formula, and then drawing the graph, then nature of roots. Based on the formula, study the nature of roots, then relation between roots. Then application of quadratic equation, the arithmetic progression. So progression means it's a sequence. So that we'll study. Then sum of n terms in arithmetic progression, geometric progression. Geometric progression not here but in 11th. Then financial planning. So tax, invoice of good purchase. This is the next unit, number 4. Then GST, shares, dividend, brokerage taxes, GST on brokerage services, mutual fund, systematic investment plan. Then probability. Then probability, random experiment, outcome, equally likely outcome, sample space, event, probability of event. Then statistics. Statistics is the data. Statistically we'll determine the data and based on that data we'll find some mathematical calculations. So it's mean, mode, median. Deviation, frequency, mode, then pictorial representation of statistical data, then bar chart representation of data, histogram, then frequency polygon, then pie chart, pie diagram, reading of pie diagram, drawing of pie diagram. So this is what related with the mathematics part 1, 10th mathematics part 1. Now then mathematics part 2. Then equation 1 is chapter 1 is similarity. So is similarity in triangles. So similarity theorem, different theorems we'll study. Then Pythagoras theorem. For right angle triangle we study Pythagoras theorem. Then Pythagorean triplet. Then similarity and right angle triangle, theorem of geometric mean, Pythagoras theorem, and proof of all the theorems, and the numericals, solve the numericals as well as the numericals from the earlier question papers, previous year question papers. That also we'll see during these sessions. And it is available offline as well as online, as far as regular batches and vacational batches are concerned. Then application of Pythagoras theorem, Apollonius theorem, and their proof. The next chapter is circle. So congruent circle, concentric circle, intersecting circle, the circles passing through 1 point, 2 point, 3 points, secant and tangent for circle, how to draw, tangent theorem, converse of tangent theorem, tangent segment theorem, theorem of touching circles, arc of circle, central angle, measure of an arc, congruence of arc, property of sum of measure of arc, theorem, the chords corresponding to congruent arc of circle are congruent. So what is meant by congruent circle, congruent arc, that we'll study. And the recall, so earlier study, which we have studied in 9th standard. So that also we need to recall them. Then inscribed angle, intercepted angle, arc, inscribed angle theorem, corollaries of inscribed angle theorem, cyclic quadrilateral, theorem of cyclic quadrilateral, corollary of cyclic quadrilateral theorem, converse of cyclic quadrilateral theorem, theorem of angle between tangent and secant, converse of theorem of angle between tangent and secant, theorem of internal division of chords, theorem of external then tangent secant theorem, then geometric construction, construction of similar triangle, steps of construction, construction of tangent to circle at a point on circle. To construct tangent to a circle from a point outside the circle, we'll see its analysis as well as steps of construction. We'll construct them. Then coordinate geometry to find distance formula, property of intercepts made by 3 parallel lines, division of line segments, section formula, coordinate at the midpoint of segment, centroid formula, then slope of line, then trigonometry. This is most important, trigonometry. Already we have studied sine, cos, tan. Now we'll go further cosec, sec, and cot relation or their ratios. So how to prepare this table easily? One can prepare easily within 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Can prepare this. Instead of memorizing, we just keep in mind step to prepare this table. Then trigonometric identities related to the triangle, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta, Pythagoras theorem, trigonometrical properties like sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, an application of trigonometry. Then mensuration. Mensuration means measurement of volume, surface area of 3-dimensional figure, that is cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere, frustum of cone, sector of circle, length of arc of circle, relation between length of an arc and area of sector, segment of circle, area of segment. So different methods, and that is related with the mathematics part 2, and this is related with your mathematics subject for 10th standard students. So wholly I will cover it within 2 months, that is the vacation batches, and as far as your regular batches, it's a regular. If you like it, please do it, share it and subscribe channel. Also just call me, I'm giving here my number, just call me for and book your seat. Thank you.